If you want to fix login not available right now on WhatsApp error, here is a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, go ahead to your App Store or Google Play, and then what you're gonna do next, go ahead and search for WhatsApp, okay? And you're gonna double check if your WhatsApp is fully updated to the latest version so you can have access to all the new features. If you still facing that issue, go back to your screen and then go ahead to your settings, all right? And then scroll a little bit down, go ahead to the general, make sure that your iOS is fully updated to the latest version. Maybe it has something to do with your iPhone update. If then scroll a little bit down, go to the date and time and make sure that you set your date and time automatically. If you still facing that issue, go ahead to the VPN in device management and make sure that you disconnected your VPN. Go back and go to iPhone storage if the problem persists, all right? And then basically wait for a few moments, try to pin down WhatsApp, click the WhatsApp, and you're gonna upload the app. And by uploading the app, you're gonna release some of the unnecessary data or files within the app. You're gonna be able to get back to it without the need to basically log in and verify your whole phone number. And basically that should fix your problem. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.